Welcome to Rare History Photos. Please consider subscribing for more amazing historical pictures.
It is just another day for this farmer in the 1940s. Today he is driving a combine threshing oats. A cabled man works high in the sky during the construction of the Empire State Building. A rancher's four daughters stand in front of their sod home with their horses in 1886. Albert Einstein gives a special lecture on the theory of relativity to talented young men in May of 1946 at Lincoln University in Pennsylvania. A brave man cleans a window at the Empire State Building in March of 1936. These children in Chicago take advantage of the winter snow and sled down a hill in 1929. A couple enjoy a beautiful summer day at Central Park watching the boats on the water in 1942. An adventurous woman takes a photograph of the skyline of Berlin in 1912.